Before we assemble the manual harness to this bike, so I need to explain to the customer because this manual harness has been modified because we did not assemble the turn signals and also the tachometer on this bike. So this manual harness for the turn signal and tachometers, the wires has been cut. So it looks a little bit simple than the previous I introduced. But in the future, when we ship the manual harness, we will ship the complete manual harness, including the tachometer, speedometer, and the turn signal, all the electrical components you can put on this manual harness. People can decide what electrical components they don't want to use. For example, they don't want to have to use the tachometer, they don't want to use the turn signal, so they can cut the wire after assembly to the bike, and that the manual harness look as simple as possible. Okay, now we start to assemble all the electrical components and the manual harness to this bike. So first we put the high tension coil to the frame. So it's very easy, you see, only use the screwdriver. And then we put the regulator, the voltage regulator. So there is a bracket on the frame. And then also you use a small screw and to put the voltage regulator to the frame. Now we assemble the horn to the bike. So it's also use two small screw to fix the horn to the frame. Okay, so the key switch. So this is 99WC1 key switch. In the future, we will use NE5 key switch and with the ambassador key switch for the customer. So it looks similar, just different assembly way to do. So even no different. So this is the key switch. So we put all these components to the frame first before we assemble the manual harness. So this is the CDI. There is a rubber mount, and then just insert to the frame only. Okay, so now we assemble the manual harness. You can put the battery. So this is a battery. So just put the battery on. Yes, you see. Okay, and then fix the battery into so there is a battery cover.弄手架了。啊，无这伤长啊。And then, okay. So this is the rear part for the engine. With the engine, so put the engine part together. Like the previous video, we introduced to the manual harness. So this is make the same assemble like this. So just plug the sockets, female to male, plug together. So this is to engine.